Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Griffin local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance means you have to be extra prepared for any form of difficulties. One way of ensuring everything goes well is by hiring the 3 men and a truck moving company. We understand these everyday events and have put everything in place to prevent any form of delay or damage to our clients' belongings. Our drivers, movers, and trucks are above the expected standards. We have top standard staff and equipment that ensures your items are properly packed, loaded, transported, and offloaded in your new residence. If you are moving within short distances or less than 50 miles, our local moving service is all you need. We can help you achieve a stress-free move. We have affordable hourly rates around $30 to $40 so that you can access quality services at budget-friendly rates. We have great reviews from our clients who give us nothing but praise for our exceptional services. Working with the 3 men and a truck movers is a step forward if you are in Griffin and want to move to a new residence or office space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Griffin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.